They have lived on the baobab tree since they were young. The hole in the tree in front of them is the home of more than a dozen lemurs. They have been dormant in it since Han season. Baobab nectar is a liquid with high sugar and energy, and the lemur misses this taste all summer. They will lick all the flowers in front of them, while the nectar is still flowing from the center of the flowers. But in fact, the nectar is not for the mouse lemur to drink. This huge swan is what the baobab tree wants to attract. The swan flies from one mouse to another tree, and when it feeds on the nectar, it spreads the pollen and scares the flowers. Now, swans are the main course of the mouse lemur, and the swan meat is an important source of fat for the mouse lemur, and they must rely on enough fat to survive the long, dry summer. In this way, the mouse lemur seems to be a pest of the cooked baobab. The mouse lemur kills the swan of the ship's pollen and steals the nectar. However, the mouse lemurs also gave feedback to the baobab technique, because when the mouse lemurs caught the swans, the hair would inevitably be stained with pollen, and they naturally became pollinators.